Let's take a look at how number purchasing and compliance works in our portal. When you're purchasing numbers, it is important to be mindful of local regulations in the regions for which you are purchasing them, so that you know what is required to activate the numbers ahead of time. Our portal includes information on local address requirements for number activation and service limitations for all the countries and the number types for which we have coverage. To find this information, navigate to the Information tab on the sidebar menu. From here, you can filter based on country so that you are informed of any local restrictions before you make any number purchases. Some number types in certain regions will require an end-user address for number activation. For example, if you require a French geographic number, you'll be required to provide an end-user address and supporting proofs that will require verification from our compliance team ahead of number activation. To submit this address, you'll head to the Settings tab and click on Addresses. Once you have purchased a France geographic number, you'll be able to create an end-user address for the number type, which can be submitted by filling out the address form, which will be populated based on the number country and number type. Once you have submitted the end-user address for verification, you'll see a green flag alongside the address when the information provided has been validated. This usually happens within 48 hours. If the documentation provided is not in line with the local number requirements outlined in the Restrictions tab, or perhaps the documents provided are too outdated to serve as proof documents, you'll receive an email notification and a red flag will appear alongside the address, highlighting that information will need to be updated in order to be validated. Once your address has been verified, you'll be able to link it with the associated numbers in order to activate them. This is completed in the Numbers tab under My Numbers. By selecting the relevant numbers from the list, scrolling to the Actions menu on the right-hand side, and clicking Activate to assign the relevant end-user address. See our Numbers video for more activation information. For more in-depth information on how to use our portal, check out the other videos. Please subscribe and stay up to date with the newest features and best practices.